In this video, I'll detail how to find lost Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, either the Series 3 or Series 9, or it is the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and you want to find the Apple Watch on your iPhone, then this video is going to let you track your Apple Watch, get the exact location, and even play sound on the Apple Watch. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, before you can find your lost Apple Watch and your iPhone must be connected to the same Apple ID account. Otherwise, you need to sign into the Apple ID account to sign in on your Apple Watch before you can track it. So I will assume that you have your Apple Watch and your iPhone signed into the same iCloud account. And if that be, go ahead and open the Find Me application. Once you open that, then come here and click on Devices. Now, once you tap Devices, you're going to have access to all your devices. So if you don't have access to that, just swipe up like this on Devices, and you're going to have access to all your devices. You can see here I have my iPhone. You see this iPhone. I have my Apple Watch at home. This is my AirPod Pro, and at the same time I have my iPad. However, to find your Apple Watch if gotten lost or if stolen or whatsoever, just come here and click on the name of your Apple Watch. Then once you click on the name of your Apple Watch, you see another information on the Apple Watch. Then on the map, you should see where the Apple Watch is. Then if you swipe this up better, you're gonna see different information here on your Apple Watch. Then because my Apple Watch is at home, you see this? It's at home. So because my Apple Watch is at home, it is very easy for me now to ring my Apple Watch by just click on play sound. So if I click on play sound, this is going to play sound and track whatever my Apple Watch is. But if my Apple Watch is outside my location or it's not within the range, then you should see directions available. See, under the direction I have with you, if you do not have with you under direction, you need to go ahead and click on direction. And once you tap direction, this is going to take you to where your Apple Watch is. However, to find lost Apple Watch at home, just click on play sound. Then you should see playing sound. Then it's not playing sound, connecting. So it's not playing sound on my Apple Watch. Then if I go to where I kept my Apple Watch, you'll see that the Apple Watch is ringing. You see that? So my Apple Watch is now ringing and the Find My is playing the sound. Now to confirm that I found my Apple Watch, then just go ahead and click on dismiss. Then my iPhone will stop playing the sound on my Apple Watch and instantly you should see playing sound off. So that is basically how to find lost Apple Watch with your iPhone at home. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.